Greetings! This is an ADU.
Oh, acronyms. Let me guess. Anteaters Dancing Unification. No. Absolutely Daring Underwear.
No. Which stands for Accessory Dwelling Unit, which is 3D printed up in the Bay Area and delivered as a solid unit. This is a studio version, 300 square feet. We're gonna go inside and take a look at it. The cool part about it is it's 3D printed. Not the whole thing, but the interior, the structure of the whole thing is pretty darn cool. It's kind of got that groovy, curvy thing going on it.
Oh, dude, that's so zen and tiny.
Like I said, this is a 300 square foot studio, and they have a one bedroom version of this, which is basically two of these. And then they have a 2-bedroom and a 3-bedroom version. So they just keep stacking these things together in any way you want to look at it. So let's take a look.
Artsy Dog Universe?
No.
Arresting Daryl's uncle?
No. Got this huge floor to ceiling double sliding door over there. Double sliding door, and you can build a deck out here like I've got. This is just a furniture unit. So this will come as a blank wall. But this is the 300 square foot version of this.
Okay, it's 350 square feet. I got it wrong. So every time I say 300, it's 350. Okay, sorry.
They tell me that the kitchen is being redone. The cabinets are coming lower. You can put a dishwasher will be there, and you can put a large refrigerator there. I mean, 300 square feet doesn't go far. I imagine you can put a washer and a dryer there and stack them. And then you've got some storage. They did change the shower so it is on the floor, just a straight walk in, and it's got a WC and a vanity. This is actually the 3D printed material. They're showing it here just so you can see what it looks like. It takes a day to print this, which is wild.
Awful dreary umpire.
No.
Amazing dramatic underarm.
No. Yep. All right, well, that's what 300 square feet looks like. Got a little 2-burner. The microwave is perfect for me, but it's going to be down here because they're dropping these cabinets lower. So that is what a 300 square foot ADU studio looks like. It costs about $110,000 as you see it, and it's going to cost about another $90,000 or so to deliver it and do all the site prep for it and get it installed, including permits and things like that. So you have the ability to build decking around it. Super interesting, since we can do accessory dwelling units now in California. This is an option that is pretty easy to do. You don't have to worry about it. A bunch of construction. It's just going to be like do the footings, do the foundation, bring in the utilities, and there you have it.
Articulate dishwashing unicorn? No. ADU. Attic drapery university? No.
If you were looking for some income, or you wanted a studio or an office in your yard, homeschooling, whatever, place for guests to come and live, or just rent it out for income. If you have any interest in this, hit me here and I will get you in touch and they can talk about it. Oh, one more thing. They also have a unit where they're designing right now, which can go over a 2-car garage. If you've got a detached, a lot of people are building ADUs over a garage. They will actually tear your garage down and build it so it'll handle the structure. But that's going to be about around $200K for a 1-bedroom unit. And you can build even a 2-bedroom unit if you have the room for that. So that's a possibility also. All right. Well, if you have any interest in that, hit me on that and I can hook you up with some options. All right, Daryl Palmer at Remax Estate Properties. It's been fun.
Always dangling utensils. That's gotta be it.